We see it every day in our wallets, our favorite shoes, and the seats we sit on. Leather is part of our daily lives. But have you ever wondered about the leather that costs more than a premium sports car itself? Deep inside the world's most secretive and high-tech facilities, a transformation happens. Here, traditional craftsmanship meets futuristic automation to create something beyond imagination. Welcome to Factory X-Ray. Today, we are peeling back the layers of the elite AutoLeather line. We're going inside a multi-million-dollar process where raw materials are turned into liquid gold for the world's most expensive automotive interiors. Prepare to see the unseen. This is the secret art of luxury manufacturing. Let's head inside. Step inside a silent orchestra of steel and sensors. This is the elite zone where precision is the only language spoken. Welcome to the heart of the AutoLeather line, where the world's most expensive car interiors are born. The science of scanning. It starts with a search for perfection. High-intensity blue lasers map every microscopic flaw on these premium hides. In this digital world, only the purest leather survives the cut. The power of lasers. Precision is non-negotiable. Watch as high-powered lasers carve through leather with hair-thin accuracy. No blades, no friction, just pure, concentrated light sealing every edge to perfection. The art of sewing. This is where technology meets the human soul. Thousands of stitches are placed with robotic consistency, while master artisans guide every curve. It's a delicate dance of needle and thread. The build, assembly. The skeleton finally meets its skin. Each cover is vacuum sealed and hand stretched over custom frames. Using heat and pressure, we eliminate every wrinkle until the finish is flawless. The final reveal, quality control. The final gate, under intense LED arrays, every inch is scrutinized. Only the perfect are approved to define the luxury of the world's elite supercars. This is manufacturing turned into art.